Hi. So today we're going to install these polyflex bushes from Whiteline on the Toyota MR2, which are eccentric, so that we can increase a little bit the caster angle and have a better steering control. These are the installation guide from them. So let's begin. So to remove the lower arm, you need to remove this bolt over here, this nut of the torsion bar. You need to remove this one over here with the pin. Look, easy. And this one over here. So let's begin. So now I have removed it, and we need to remove this one over here. It is 55 from here to here, the diameter, and we need to press it out or cut it and see how difficult it is. So I managed to remove it from here. One note before you move it, there's a mark over here, like a triangle, you can see it, and you must match it, make a line so that you can match it when you install this one, so it will be like this. I managed to remove this with this one, which fits over it, and from the other side I had this one which fits exactly, you can see, and I hammered it out. So I'll put this one now, and I'll do the other side. So I'm aligning this dot over here with this mark over here, and now I'm going to press it in. So now I'm finished. I pressed it in, this, and before you need to know how much to push it in. It's like 3 millimeters here from the metal of the wishbone, so you will make it like the old one, which is, you can see it over here. So you see, it's like 3 millimeters from here to where it was. So I did it like that. I did the inserts, the eccentric. I measured it with straight from here, and I made the mark, and I did 90. I don't know if you can see it. And I made it 90 degrees from here, and go 90 to the inside of the car. So then the wishbone would go outside, and so this will go to the front of the car, the ball joint, which will increase the caster. We'll put it inside, do the other side, and do the alignment then. So I did the left side. I loosened the ball joint over here also, and this bolt over here, so that when you insert it, it wouldn't accidentally turn the eccentric sleeve. So let's continue. So both sides are done, as you can see. Now I only need to tighten this bolt over here while the wheels are loaded, so that the bush over here will not get torn, which would sit in its intended position. And then I will do the alignment. I tightened those bolts, and now I need to do the alignment. And I don't know if it's visible, I don't think so. It shifted at least, I think, maybe 4 to 5 millimeter from here to here. Then I will test it after the alignment and check the difference. So I tested it. The alignment is on point, straight, and the steering feel is much better. Right? You can see there's not much difference front to back, maybe 3 to 4 millimeters. If you like this video, like it and comment on it. I don't know if you want more. See ya.